200 pounds, and she rides on it just fine. So it's really easy to ride. You can change the speed if you need to. There's like a speed thing here. You can also adjust over on the side here, and you can adjust the pedals. So you can adjust it to fit your size, and it works really, really well. It also has a 750 watt motor, so it can go over 28 miles, and the latest mileage is 7,000 miles, so you can ride it up for longer than that. So it really goes a long ways. It does have this nice little piece here, so if you need to take something with you, you can always strap it down. It even comes with little bands you can strap over it if you have any packages or anything. It has nice thick wheels, which are really great for like those upward hills. Those big hills are kind of hard to usually get up with a bike. These will tackle it no problem. All of my neighbors see me riding it. They always ask about it, so go ahead, you need to try this, and just make sure you leave a review.